Amazing yet simple ideas to use tree stumps, both indoors and outdoors. You'll love these ideas. Wood is all around us. Most of the items in a room are made of wood. But if you want a piece of furniture that isn't made from processed wood, we have some great inspirations for you. Just place a few stumps in a room, and you have a unique table or chairs. If you're the creative type, tools like sanders, paints, and ropes will come in handy. A nice, custom-made cushion will make sitting on this original piece of furniture even more enjoyable. You can use raw wood just as nature intended in many other ways. You'll find inspiration here too. If you use freshly cut wood, be prepared for it to crack. The stump must not be infested with pests, rot, or disease, and it must dry slowly, never in direct sunlight, to prevent cracking. If the stump cracks while drying, it's okay, each piece becomes a unique original. If the table will only be used indoors, you don't need to treat it, but if used outdoors, treat it with an anti-insect and antifungal coating.